How to check anonymous messages on NGL
Hello
app.
everyone,
My name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the messages that have been sent anonymously on the NGL app. So you can go on the Google Play Store of your device. On the top search bar, you can simply search for NGL app and install and update if the update option is available right there. If you've already installed it and pasted to your certain social media, and the people will anonymously send the messages and their identity will not be revealed. You know this much, and now you want to see the message that they have sent, but you don't know how you can see the message and watch this video. How you can see that? Open the NGL app. You can see there are three options: the I option, play option, and the inbox option. Tap on the inbox option, and there is written a new message is sent. When you tap on this, you can see the message right here, and this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and comment on our video. Thanks for watching.